Alrighty, so this is my second day, well, kind of technically day and a half into it, because I worked about 4 hours yesterday, but got a lot of it done. Had my nephew helping me out a little bit today. Got the studs in. These are an epoxy because the engineer said rather than risk cracking an older foundation, it's better just to glue them in. So we'll see what happens. Honestly, it doesn't matter to me. They seem like they're pretty damn solid, and they say 20-hour cure time. So and I had that wall perfect. I mean, I had it absolutely freaking perfect. And then what I did wrong, so it's going to be just like this wall. It's going to be 3 pieces. But this was going to be a perfect 2-piece wall. And I was supposed to cut it here, but I cut it here. So I ended up setting it back just so it's right. I'm sure there's a better way to do it. Never built a garage before though, but it's going to be fun. So I'm going to set up tripods and stuff and keep you guys posted. I'm going to do like some time lapses, see what happens, and do my best with it. But yeah, it's coming along. And tomorrow I plan on having these sides stood up and then put the back up as well, and then start doing some sheathing. Across the front I got to put a 4-foot wall on either side for the 16-foot opening. Actually, I think it's 16 feet open. It's a 22-footer, so it's 3 feet on each side. I got to do it, but it's gonna be cool. The old one only had like a 7-foot opening right there, which you could squeeze a little car in and hope you didn't rip the mirrors off in the process. But just trying to get this done. I should have all this up, trusses on in the next week or two. The only thing I'm waiting on really is just the trusses to get here, so I'm not in a giant hurry to get this framed up. But I don't want to leave them on the ground to warp and stuff either. So I'd like to get these stood up tomorrow. Get the sheathing up. And I get them stood up tomorrow. Get the sheathing up tomorrow or Sunday. Maybe Monday. See what happens. But it's coming along.